Here I have SONY Xperia 1 Mark III, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject SIM card and SD card slot, which you can find here. Actually, you won't even need this tool. You can do this with only your nails. So here I have this slot, and here you have to put SD card and here SIM card, and then put it back into this device. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. So let's enter it. And there's also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.